'Twas the day before Christmas in our Taylor Morrison house. Not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. When suddenly Buster and Bear had a big thought. We'll throw a party without getting caught. For alas, their owners were traveling away, and they thought it would be a great time to play. They called all their friends on a mobile device, letting them know, and some they called twice. They readied each room in the most festive way, although hanging the lights caused a bit of dismay. Then they went to the kitchen to whip up some treats, rushed to the great room to put on holiday beats. The table was set with the utmost care, checking each setting had just the right flair. Then Buster hurried into the pet spa to take a bath, for Fifi was coming, you do the math. They didn't forget about good old Saint Nick, and set out the cookies, taking only one lick. At last came the chime as they rushed to the door to greet all their friends plus quite a few more. Good thing the house was spacious and right. Happy holidays to all, and to all a good night.